What's the driving experience of that?
Very good. You should try first.
Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, this is our new combine harvester model, which is similar to FM World. As you can see, the cutter head, the chassis, the grain tank, the conveyor, it's all use the same components with FM World. The grain tank is 1.6 cubic meter, which can load around 1,000 kilogram paddy or 900 kilogram wheat. And the chassis we have here is Yachu crawler, or Jungle crawler, Jungle crawler, which is the top brand in China. The crawler size is 590-56. It's with the wide and the long crawler, it can pass easily on the muddy field, so you don't have any problem walking on the muddy field. You don't need to worry about stuck in the muddy field with this model. The thresher length from this side. The thresher length is 2 meters long, and it's the most efficient thresher length for local market. You use the less power engine and you get the best working performance.